Hello guys and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today I'm gonna share with you this amazing clementine and almond cake. I love any cake that has semolina and almond flour, but when you pair it with the clementine flavor, you've got an amazing, tender, crumbly cake like you've never tasted before. And this is a very simple cake to mix. If you don't want to use a mixer, you can mix it all by hand using the whisk. But today I'm making this cake using the electric mixer to make things easier. And I want to remind you that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. Now I'm gonna start on mixing the cake. I add the room temperature butter, the zest of 3 clementines, and the sugar, and I mix for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna add the 2 large eggs. I whisk a little bit, add them to the butter sugar mixture, add some vanilla extract, and I mix just until combined. And now I'm gonna add 3 to 4 tablespoons of clementine juice, fresh clementine juice. I actually ended up using 4 tablespoons of the juice for the cake. And now I'm ready to add the dry ingredients, which are a cup of semolina, a cup of almond flour, and I add the baking powder and a little bit of salt. I mix a little bit and I add it to the wet ingredients and mix just until combined. The texture and the flavor of the semolina with the almond flour is amazing. The cake is not too sweet and it's so good with the pine nuts on top. I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna line a 9-inch pan with parchment paper and some butter and flour. And as you can see, the batter is not runny, it's on the thick side. I'm gonna smooth the batter as much as I can, and I'm gonna top it with some pine nuts. I love to use pine nuts, but you can use almonds if you want. And I'm gonna bake it for 20 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now let me show you how to make a great clementine syrup to go on top of the cake. You're gonna boil 1 cup of fresh clementine juice, add to that half a cup of sugar, mix and bring to a boil and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes or until it becomes a little syrupy or thickens just a little bit. Look at the color of this thing. It's gonna add so much good flavor to our cake. You can serve the cake with a side of ice cream, or you can make a little bit of whipped cream, heavy whipping cream, and add to that some yogurt and some vanilla extract and serve it on the side. It's totally up to you. You don't have to do this step, but if you want some more creaminess on the side, you can make this. The cake is out of the oven. I'm gonna wait for it to cool a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some powdered sugar on top. If you're enjoying these recipes, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. You can serve this cake warm or room temperature and top it with some of the clementine syrup. The cake is out of the oven. The smell is amazing. You won't believe how good this cake is until you try it. I hope you give this cake a try soon. And until next time, bon appétit!